So here's Blue Sky app. This Jack Twitter new app. So as people are looking for it. So Jack Dorsey is like obviously former CEO of Twitter before it was sold to Elon Musk, and he co-founded or founded the new social media app called Blue Sky. So this is the app. It's invite only, so you need to get invites. At the moment, I have 3 invite codes. It's very early preview, it's very early beta of this app. There is nothing fancy going on. But why would Jack Dorsey create this new app? Well, there is a shift in technology. So basically, this Blue Sky app is kind of just like a front end, just like interface for social media, while backend is based on decentralized protocol. So it's not like standard databases you have in Twitter or Facebook, like controlled centralized database and just one CEO or one board controls all the content. No, here is just there is some protocol. I don't like have deep insight into how these protocols work, but basically this is kind of like collection of some decentralized servers. And one of the ideas is that, for example, you have like million followers on this app and all your content, and suddenly you just get banned. So you can imagine this happening on Twitter. And then on Blue Sky, what they offer and some other apps like Damus, like Snort Social, Nostr Protocol apps, like if you have million followers and get banned, you just take your followers and just move to another server. And then if you're being moderated there, you just move to another server. And then just take your followers, your content with you, and just move between servers. So that's like this concept is just behind all these new apps, including Blue Sky. There is a lot of potential, and Jack Dorsey and other like people in social media see it as the future in social media, because it's like much harder to moderate, to control you, to ban you in these apps which are based on protocol, where there is no one central database where you can just easily be banned with the click of a button. But we'll see. This is just like the first attempt, and there's like more and more users. So far there were around like 30,000 people around this. And yeah, there are a lot of Twitter influencers moving here. So yeah, you need to have an invite code though. So, and then if you get invited, you need to be active on the app to get some followers, and then you will slowly get more invite codes. And then yeah, you can just post. It's very like bare bones Twitter. You can post images, photos. There is 300 character limit. You can search for people. You can follow people. So as you can see, there are like some influencers already and like tech personalities going on here. And this app, from all like of the Twitter alternatives, this feels like one of the closest ones. And it feels nice. Like it feels that the engineers behind it really have some taste towards developing like social media. And I tried Damus, I tried Mastodon. Something, it's like Mastodon is just too complicated. People just can't figure out how to use it. But it's the same concept in Mastodon. You also have these decentralized servers. And then you can just create your account. You can share it. You can add your profile picture. Just display names. That's it. And then you just have your settings. Some app. You can change your handle. You can delete your account. Content moderation. So here you can just adjust that. And then you can also add account. You can create new account. And then if you want to sign in, you can see that this is kind of looks like .blue sky social. So this is one of the servers. Like you can also add your own domain, and that will be kind of your server maybe, or you can add another account. And ideally you can just switch between those accounts. So yeah, hope that is helpful. Just like a quick preview at the moment. This app is very very minimalistic. As you can see, there are no Twitter spaces. audio formats, videos. You can do videos here, you can do GIFs, no hashtags as I understand. So it's like just the thing is like some influencers are moving here, and that's basically the idea. And it's a good time maybe to reserve your nice first username, like with a first name username. And yeah, just proceed from there, maybe get some connections.